Adhere. Verb. Intransitive. Formal. Verb forms. Present simple. I, you, we, they adhere. He, she, it adheres. Past simple. Adhered. Past participle. Adhered. ing form. Adhering. Adhere, to something, to stick to something. Examples. Once in the bloodstream, the bacteria adhere to the surface of the red cells. Clean the surface first, or the paint will not adhere. There was oil adhering to the bird's feathers. The tiles may not adhere properly if you do not use the correct glue. Word origin. Late 15th century. From Latin adhere, from ad, to, plus here, to stick. Phrasal verbs. Adhere to something. Formal, to behave according to a particular law, rule, set of instructions, etc., to follow a particular set of beliefs or a fixed way of doing something. Examples. For 10 months he adhered to a strict no-fat, low-salt diet. She adheres to teaching methods she learned over 30 years ago. Staff should adhere strictly to the safety guidelines. The diet will work if it is adhered to. Extra examples. The guidelines were not always fully adhered to. This principle must be strictly adhered to. We adhere to the company's code of practice.